Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the waiting for Wi-Fi error on the Google Play Store. It's really simple, so let's jump right in. So guys, if you were getting the waiting for Wi-Fi error on the Google Play Store, there are a couple things you can do to try and solve your problem. The very first thing you can do is open up your Google Play Store, and then in the top right, click on your profile picture. And then once you're on this screen, you're going to want to click on Settings. And then once we're in Settings, we're going to click on General. And then once we're in General, we're going to hit this button that says App Download Preference. And on this screen, we want to make sure that this says over any network rather than it saying over Wi-Fi only. So change this to over any network, hit Done. And also on auto update apps, you can turn this to over any network as well. Hit Done. And at this point, guys, I would close and reopen your Google Play Store and see if that has fixed your issue. See if you can download the app and you are no longer getting the waiting for Wi-Fi error. Now guys, if that didn't fix your problem, there are a few other things you can try. So next thing, pull down your drop-down menu and in the top right, hit the gear to go into your settings. And then we're going to scroll down and go into apps. And then once we're in apps, we're going to scroll down and find the Google Play Store. So click on the Google Play Store. And then once we're here, we're going to want to hit Force Stop in the bottom right. And then hit OK. And then once we've done that, we're going to go into Storage. And then we have two buttons at the bottom here, Clear Cache and Clear Data. We're going to want to hit both of those. So we're going to hit Clear Cache and then Clear Data and hit OK. And then at this point, guys, I would reopen the Google Play Store and see if that has fixed your issue. Now, guys, if that didn't fix your issue, if you're still getting the waiting for Wi-Fi error, or if you start downloading the app and it stops like halfway, like maybe you download it and then halfway it stops the download, it's possible that you may not have enough space on your phone to fully download the app. So if you're still getting the issue, I would try deleting some files off your phone, maybe some photos or videos, or uninstalling a few apps, and then trying to download again and see if that fixes your issue. So thank you guys very much for watching. I hope I was able to help you fix your issue. If that did help you, leave a comment in the comment section below, or if you have any tutorials that you'd like us to cover in the future on the channel, you can leave those suggestions in the comments below as well. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.